This video will show you how to use the Talabat credit.
So right here we have a Talabat credit card. So how to use it? We need first to install the Talabat app. It has an app which you can install from Apple Store or Google Play. Next is you need to tap on the wallet or account icon. View your card and navigate to the Talabat credit section to see your available balance. As you can see right there, it also has place an order which you can browse and select your item, then proceed to checkout. You can also apply credit if your order qualifies. Talabat credits will be applied automatically. If not, you can manually select to pay with your credit balance. Next is you need to complete your payment. If your credit doesn't cover the full amount, pay the remaining balance using your preferred payment method, for example, gift cards or cash or PayPal. Note that Talabat credits is available in selected regions and can be used at participating restaurant that accept debit card payments.